everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In the previous video we have already completed exercise 8.2. Today we are going to start with exercise 8.3. But before starting exercise 8.3, we need to know what are trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So let's discuss about it in brief and then we are going to start with exercise 8.3. So what are complementary angles? We know that if sum of any two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. So over here is a right triangle. You can see that this one is 90 degree. Then the sum of both these will be 90 degree, right? Suppose let's take this as 30 degree. And then what will be this one? It will be 60 degree. Right? Because 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. So these 60 degree and 30 degree are complementary angles, right? Because their sum is 90 degree. Now, we have already learned what is sine, cos, tan, right, in previous videos. So suppose let's take 60 degree. 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? What is sine? Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So sine 60 degree in terms of angle A. 60 degrees angle A, right? So in terms of angle A, which one is perpendicular? BC is perpendicular. BC and hypotenuse is AC, right? We already know this. Now let's come to cos. Let's take 30 degree. Okay? What is cos? It is the base by hypotenuse. And now in terms of 30 degree, which is base? BC is base. And hypotenuse is AC. Now have you seen that sine 60 degree is BC by AC and cos 30 degree is also BC by AC. What does it mean? Sine 60 degree is equal to cos 30 degree, right? Sine 60 degree is equal to cos 30 degree. Why? Because sine 60 degree is also BC by AC, cos 30 degree is also BC by AC. So we can write this as sine 60 degree is equal to cos 30 degree, right? Now, first let's write sine 60 degree, okay? Now, we can write, see over here, we can write 30 degree as 90 minus 60, right? Because 90 minus 60 is 30. So if you want to convert this also into 60, then we can write 30 degree as 90 minus 60. So, cos 90 minus 60 is cos 30. So here see that sine 60 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 60 degree. If we do this as 30 degree also, then also it will happen same. Sine 30 degree will be cos 90 minus 30 degree. So like this we have to know some relations between the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles because these are complementary angles, okay? So there are 6 relations. Number 1 is this one. We will write as A, sine A, okay? So what was over here? Sine 60 is cos 90 minus 60, then it will be sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A. This one is one number. 2 is, if we write this as cos A is also equal to sine 90 minus A. Okay? Cos A is equal to sine 90 minus A. 3. Now the relation will come between tan and cot. It will be tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. 4. And cot A is also equal to tan 90 minus A. Okay? Cot A is also equal to tan 90 minus A. 5. Now the relation will be between cosec and sec. Okay? Cosec A and sec A. This will be cosec A is equal to sec 90 minus A and sec A is equal to cosec 90 minus A. Okay? Cosec A is equal to sec 90 minus A, and sec A is equal to cosec 90 minus A. These are the relations that you need to learn in exercise 8.3. So all the problems are related to these 6 relations. Okay, so now let's start with exercise 8.3. So let's start with question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Number 1 is evaluate. Number 1, sine 18 by cos 72. Okay, sine 18 by cos 72. So first is sine 18. Now what have we learned earlier? We have learned that cos A is equal to sine 90 minus A, right? So cos 72 we can write as sine 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72. Sine 18 by, so what is 90 minus 72? 8 and 1, right? So sine 18 and sine 18 will be cut. And the answer is 1. We have completed number 1. Now let's move to number 2. Question number 2 is tan 26 by cot 64 equal to. Now first is tan 26. So what have we learned? We have learned that cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A, right? So cot 64 we can write cot 64 as tan 90 minus 64. Tan 90 minus 64 tan 26 by, what is 90 minus 64? 6, right? And 8 minus 6, 2. So tan 26 will be cut. Answer is 1. So we have also completed number 2. Now let's move to number 3. Number 3, cos 48 minus sine 42. Cos 48 minus sine 42. Okay. So first is cos 48 minus. Now we have learnt that sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Cos A is equal to sine 90 minus A, and sine A is also equal to cos 90 minus A, right? So sine 42, we can write sine 42 as cos 90 minus 42. So cos 90 minus 42 is equal to cos 48. Now what is cos 90 minus 42? 8, and 8 minus 4 is 4. See, cos 48 minus cos 48 plus cos 48 minus cos 48 will be cut. Answer is 0. So the number 3's answer is 0. Now let's move to number 4. So what is the number 4? Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Now what have we learned? Cosec A is equal to sec 90 minus A, right? Sec A is also equal to cosec 90 minus A, and cosec A is also equal to sec 90 minus A. So instead of cosec 31, we can write sec 90 minus 31, right? So sec 90 minus 31 minus sec 59 equals to. Now what is 90 minus 31? 9, 5, right? 8 minus 3 is 5 minus sec 59 degree. See, plus sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree, again it will be cut. Answer is 0. So with this we have completed question number 1 of exercise 8.3. In the next video I'm going to be back with question number 2 of exercise 8.3. And if you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me please click on subscribe button. Thank you.